Hey guys, in this video we're gonna see how we can protect our route in Next.js. We're gonna see three different ways to protect it. Whether the route is in client side or in server side, we're gonna see all method. So let's get started, guys. Before start, as you see, I already create a Next.js project and I create some pages to avoid wasting time. So in the home page, I create three buttons. Each one of them send us to different route, and each one of this route we're gonna use a different method to protect it. So let's check the first one. As you see, guys, this one is not protected. It's just a normal client-side page. So let's see how we can protect it. As you see, guys, this is our project. But before start, I'm using this global variable to determine if the user is out or not. I'm using just static data. But in normal way, we check if user is out or not using a cookies or local storage. So let's get started. And so guys, let's protect our route. So let's start with the first one. Is this one is a normal page, is a client page, and we're gonna use the first method. Is the common method that we protect this route using use effect. So let's get started. And I'm gonna speed up writing code to avoid wasting your time, and after that I'm gonna explain the code. So guys, as you see, I already create a use effect and create this function. This function is a sync function that we have a try and catch inside it. We check if the user is out or not and to save it here. And if the user is not out, we redirect him to a login page. And if he out, we make this status is true. I'm gonna show you why we need it. We let the user to open the page. And if there is any error or something, we redirect. That means we can't retrieve the value if the user is out or not. We redirect him to login page. And finally, after finish everything, we make loading is false. Now we call this function inside the use effect. So when user open the page, automatically executes the function. And here, before return the page, we added a loading. Okay, as you see, this is the page that we protect. As you see, guys, we protect the page and they redirect us to login page. This is the good way, but there is a problem. I don't know if you see it or not, but when we click to see the page, we can able to see the code. After a millisecond, they redirect us to login page, but we don't need this. So to avoid this problem, that's why I create this state. So whether or when the user not out, we return him null. So he can't see nothing. So let's check it again. And okay, wait, I need to hard refresh. Okay. Guys, the problem was here. Return. Okay, forget to add the return here. So now let's check it. As you see, we don't see the page. This is why I use this this state. So guys, this is the first way to protect, and it's a good way, but if you want to protect many client route page, it's we write the same code every time. So in the second way, we're gonna see how we write code once and use it in every client page to protect it. So let's get started. So guys, for the second way to protect routes, we're gonna use something called the high order component. This is the button that sends us to a route that protects using high order components. As you see, it doesn't redirect us to anywhere because it's not protected yet. So let's see how we can protect it. As you see, guys, this is okay. This is the page that we want to protect. It's a normal page. It's like the old one. So to protect it, we're gonna create a high order component. So what is the high order component? High order component is too many high order components. Is a component. It's a normal component. Accept another component and return that component with the editing or just return it. So let's see. This is the top component that accepts a component and return this component. This one. As you see, this is another component inside a component. So when we pass the component, we return it here. So inside that component, we do the same code. As you see, this is the same code as here. What we do, just use effect, check if the user is out or not. If not, we log in it, redirect him to log in, and if he out, we let him to open this page. So why we need this? We need this to avoid repeat the code every time. So when you create a high order component, you can use it with many pages. So we just need to take the high order component, and let's see, we want to protect this one. We're gonna go where we export the page, and we're gonna wrap it with this high order component. So it's called okay, out like this, and we're gonna wrap it with this simple way. So let's check it. As you see. So guys, now we're gonna explain the third method that we can protect route with it. But before that, there is a problem with the first two ways that we can only protect a client-side pages with them. So we can't protect a server-side page with them. So to protect a server-side component or a page, there is a many way to do that, but we're gonna use the middleware way. This is the main way to protect any route, whether it's server side or client side. So to do that, let's jump to code. As you see, first to use middleware, we need create a file inside the root project. But if you are using a source folder, you need to call the middleware file inside the source folder. And I'm using TypeScript, that's why I'm using TS. So inside that file, we need to call a function called middleware, the same name, and we have a parameter as a request. So the object of request that contain all data that we need. So let's get started. Write code. I'm gonna speed up to avoid waste your time, and after that I'm gonna explain all the code. As you see, guys, here we create, we save the current path. What is mean the current path that the user want to open? So like it's like user want to try to open a path that called is scene. So we catch it here and save it here, and in this array we save the all routes that we want to protect, and we create another function that accepts a path and the list of routes on the check if the path that user want to try to visit is inside or one of the protected routes. If yes, we retrieve to check if the user is out or not. If the user is not out, we need to redirect him to login page. But in middleware is in server side rendering, so we can't use a hook use route. There is something called the next response to redirect user to any page that we want. As you see, guys, using this, we redirect user to login page because he's not out. But if he out, so here, if he's not out, but if he out, we let him to go to the path that he want to open. And that's it, guys. This is the code. So let's check it. As you see, guys, it's automatically redirect us to login page. So guys, with this method we can protect any route, whether it's a client or is in server side. So let's see, we want to protect this one. So let's remove the code that we already create. We don't need it. and just take the name of the route that we want to protect it, and come here, add it here. Okay, and also we need to add it here. And before that, we add this and t route equal to like this. So let's check it right now. This is protect. As you see, it's protected automatically.